Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn what to do when you've forgotten your TikTok password and are stuck in the login process. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your TikTok application. Now, from the home screen of TikTok, go and tap on the Me button at the bottom right. Now, tap on the sign up button from the display. You'll end up in the login screen. Select phone or email option at the top and select email or username tab from this page. Now, enter your email or your username in the text box. When it asks for your password, go and tap on Forgot Password link since you don't remember the password. Now, from the pop-up, you can select either the phone number option or an email option to reset your forgotten password. Let me tap on the email option. Select Reset from the next page. Wait for the code that has been emailed to your email address. Once you receive the code, type it in the text box. Wait for a few seconds and on the next page, you can go ahead and reset your password. Enter the password that you would like to reset to. Remember that in order to change your password, you'll need to make sure that your password that you're typing in meets these criteria as mentioned below. You need to enter 8 to 20 characters long password. Your password must include letters, numbers, and special characters. Once the criteria matches, you'll be able to see the green tick mark highlighted in the criterias. Now, tap on Login and you have successfully reset your forgotten password for TikTok. That is what it takes in order to reset a password that you've forgotten on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.